Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. It's really nice to have you with us today.
Yes, welcome back. We hope you're feeling comfortable and relaxed right now.
Siam, how has your day been so far?
It's been okay. A little busy, but nothing too stressful.
That's good. Busy days are fine when they don't feel heavy.
True. And taking a short break like this feels nice.
Exactly. Learning English should feel like a calm conversation, not a class.
Dear listeners, take a breath. You're in the right place.
You know, Siam, when people learn English,
They often know words, but not how to start talking.
yes, they hesitate.
They think too much before speaking.
That's why natural conversation is important.
And it starts with very small sentences.
Yes, let's show them how. Imagine you meet someone.
The first moment feels quiet.
To break that silence, you can say, "Hi, good to see you."
That sentence feels friendly.
Repeat with us. Good to see you.
Yes, repeat. Good to see you.
When the conversation starts, it naturally moves forward.
And usually, the next step is small talk,
Weather is the easiest topic.
because everyone experiences it.
You can say, "It feels nice today."
Or, it's very hot today.
Repeat slowly. It feels nice today.
It feels nice today.
The word feels means how something seems to you.
Like your personal experience.
Yes, exactly.
After weather, people often talk about daily life.
Yes, it flows naturally. A simple question is, how is your day going?
Meaning, is your day good, busy, or tiring?
Repeat after us. How is your day going?
How is your day going?
A short answer can be, it's going fine.
Or, it's a bit busy.
Repeat together. It's going fine.
It's going fine.
These answers open more talk.
And from here, people often talk about home.
Home topics feel safe.
Yes, especially food.
You can ask, did you cook at home?
Repeat slowly. Did you cook at home?
A natural answer, yes, I cooked at home.
Or, no, I ate outside.
The word outside means not at home.
Like a restaurant.
Exactly.
Food talk often brings emotions.
Yes, memories, likes, and dislikes. When someone shares something, we respond.
Yes, we don't stay silent.
A simple response is, that sounds nice.
Meaning, I like what you said.
Repeat after us. That sounds nice.
That sounds nice.
Another helpful phrase is, I understand.
Meaning, I know how you feel.
These expressions make conversations warmer.
Exactly.
Many learners stop after one answer.
But conversations continue with questions.
A small but powerful question is, and you?
Repeat slowly. And you?
This keeps the talk balanced.
Both people feel involved.
And confidence grows naturally.
Dear listeners, you don't need long talks.
Even 2 sentences are enough.
Speak while walking.
Speak while cooking.
Speak with friends.
Or speak with yourself,
English grows with use.
not with fear. You know, Saeem, many people listening right now want to speak English.
But they stop themselves.
They think their English is not good enough.
Or they think people will judge them.
Yes, I used to feel that too, honestly.
Really? That's surprising.
Yes, at the beginning, I was afraid of small mistakes.
I understand that feeling.
But then I realized something important.
What was that?
Everyone makes mistakes, even in their own language.
That's true. We make mistakes every day.
English is the same.
It's not about being perfect.
Even one word matters
Even one sentence matters.
because that one word builds confidence.
And confidence builds fluency.
Slowly, step by step,
Dear listeners, if you feel shy,
or nervous,
that feeling is normal.
it means you care.
And caring is the first step to improvement.
Speak anyway.
Speak slowly
Speak simply.
and speak daily.
Your English doesn't need to be perfect to be understood,
It just needs to be real.
and practice makes it real.
Exactly.
Let's say one sentence together. Repeat after us. I can speak English.
I can speak English.
Again, slowly. I can speak English.
I can speak English.
Very good.
Remember, learning means you are already moving forward.
Now this one is important. Repeat after me. It is okay to make mistakes.
It is okay to make mistakes.
Again. It is okay to make mistakes.
It is okay to make mistakes. Listeners, you also say it with us.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Without mistakes, learning stops.
Let's try another sentence. I speak English every day.
I speak English every day.
Again, repeat. I speak English every day.
I speak English every day. Listeners, you also say it with us.
Now say this with feelings. I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
Again, I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
Shh. Listeners, don't whisper. Say it clearly.
Good.
One last practice. Repeat after us. I will speak English without fear.
I will speak English without fear.
Dear listeners, if you spoke even one sentence today,
You did something good for yourself.
be proud of that. Progress is slow, but it is real.
And we are here with you. Always.
Now let's review. Today, we learned how to start conversations.
We moved into small talk naturally.
Weather,
Home and cooking.
daily life,
Useful expressions.
and how to continue talking.
All connected.
All practical.
If this style feels comfortable to you,
If you like learning as friends,
then stay connected with us.
subscribe to Learn with Sidra.
Like this episode.
Share it with someone who needs simple English.
Learning becomes easier together.
Thank you for giving us your time today.
We enjoyed this conversation with you.
Keep practicing little by little.
We'll meet again very soon.
Take care. Bye for now.
Bye. Keep learning.